Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Toyota Tundra using an easy method. We'll begin by establishing the fundamental structure with simple geometric shapes. Focus on getting the overall size and perspective correct from the start. This foundational step is crucial for a balanced and realistic drawing. Don't worry about details yet, just focus on the big picture. Now let's bring our Tundra to life by adding some key features. Carefully sketch the iconic front grille and the shape of the headlights. Next, focus on the wheels and tires, ensuring they look robust and properly sized. Don't forget the fender flares for that rugged look. Finally, define the door lines and window frames. Hey everyone, if you're finding this drawing tutorial helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: drawing can be tough on your feet, so why not treat them right? Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link to these amazing socks and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the main details in place, it's time to add depth and realism through shading. Use varying pressure to create shadows under the truck, within the wheel wells, and along body contours. Add subtle reflections to the windows and any chrome elements. Finally, carefully erase your initial guidelines and sharpen all your outlines for a clean, finished look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.